All right, let's go. Drive on the left side of the road. Those dogs ain't got nothing on us. Maybe rabies. But I think we go down. Oh yeah, this is where we got our. This is where we got our gas on the way here. Oh, we already passed it. Okay. We bought some gas from little 1 liter empty whiskey bottles. They're like 3/4 full, and they sell them 2 bottles, so probably about 2 liters worth, for about $5, $6. Woo! Yeah, I think we're going the right way. It's a very fun ride. The nice concrete roads, lots of nice turns. Place to practice, test out your brakes, make sure they're working. It only costs like $10 a day to rent the Honda scooter, 125 cc's. Very worth it. Poor guy that gets it after us though. Not driving on the wrong side of the road, everybody does it. We figured that one out real fast. Yeah. I landed leaving it. 4-kilometer trip from the beach, basically. There was a sign for waterfalls, but we got all the way there and they said there's no water. You have to bring your own water. No, it's a dry season, so there's no water.